Hi, my name is Stephen Eddy and it is 2 Minute Tuesday time. I'm a naturopath here, and naturopaths are obsessed by vitamins and minerals and what we eat. But here's one of the more common questions you get asked is let's say you're taking multivitamins, Sage multivitamins. When's the best time to take them? Is it before food, after food, in the morning, in the evening? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. Now, the goal here is to get the vitamins absorbed. How do you know if your vitamins are absorbed? Is your urine should look like something I prepared earlier. Just be careful. So that's how it should look. And that is the colour riboflavin, or the B vitamins, make in your urine, of course. And so if we don't spill that, we should be fine. And so that is well absorbed, because for it to be absorbed, it goes into your GI tract, throughout your bloodstream, gets filtered by your kidneys, into your urine, and there we have it there. So, but there are two types of vitamins in the body, and then there's minerals here. There's fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins, they get absorbed pretty easily out of anything, any of your supplements, that's fine. But fat-soluble vitamins require fats to be absorbed. Now, we have a paper here on the factors that absorb vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is one of the fat-soluble vitamins, and of course, that requires fat to be absorbed. So the best time to have the fat-soluble vitamins is with food. And having said that, the best time to eat your vitamins is with food, because that's when your digestive enzymes are awake. Now, minerals are a bit weird. They can be taken with food, but there are some things in food, like oxalates, which bind to minerals and stop them being absorbed. And that's particularly true with minerals like magnesium and iron. So if you can, take those minerals on their own. So what's the take-home message? Take your multis with food. All right, thank you very much.
Oh,